Good afternoon. Next in line is a 2004 GMC Yukon. Customer complaint, no throttle response. I'm here at this local used car dealer, and they gave it to a mechanic. He changed this module, and he changed the throttle body, and he was YouTubing some videos, and he was told to ground this, ground this. Look, this is the way you ground stuff. Ground this, and nothing worked. So they called me to take a look at it. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I'm one of their options. What I started with, the car has a check engine light and reduced engine power. So we have 3 codes so far. I didn't reset the computer or anything. I didn't erase any codes. This is my first scan to it. It has P0120 throttle position sensor 1 circuit, and P0220 throttle position sensor TPS 2 circuit, and P1516 throttle actuator control TAC module throttle actuator position performance. Sorry for the glare. Now is there about a complaint? Whoa. Low RPM, cold start. Is it missing? I think it's misfiring. I'm not sure, but anyway, reduce engine power. We have that message right there on the dashboard. So let us do this. And it's right. I'm pressing it all the way down, and RPM is barely 1,000. By the way, I forgot to mention this one has the 5.3 liter engine. Now the TPS throttle position sensor, I believe it has 2 because we have 2 codes. I haven't looked at it yet, but basically it's a potentiometer sensor type sensor, and it has 3 wires: a 5-volt reference, a low reference circuit, and a signal circuit. Now if this signal circuit, it increases with the opening of the throttle body. Now if it is less than, the TPS sensor 1 signal voltage is less than 0.37 volt or more than 4.51 volt, this code will come. So let us pull a picture for the PIGTALE for that sensor, and let us see our terminals to do our check-in. Here's the procedure how to do the check-in of the 2 sensors on a throttle body. And as usual, I'm gonna put my camera here in front of the computer for you guys, those that don't have the this kind of software or diagrams or instructions. You can pause. Hi, that's for the caliber? Thank you so much. No problem. Go next. Let me zoom in. a lot of steps. Wow, 33. Also found this information for you guys, so I'm gonna record it for you guys. Read it carefully. There might be a really, like a kind of TSB, a really common problem with those. And just because it's a lot of steps the other way, so I'm going to read this and go with this first. Check this. It might be the common problem with these cars. You guys gonna hate me for this. All I did, actually, I followed the instruction. This lock, I took it off and I unplugged the harness. First I took this off. So I took it off and I unplugged the harness. It was not pushed all the way in. What I did actually, I removed the lock completely and I pushed the harness all the way in and I put the lock back in. And I came to start it, it hesitated because this was off, so I put it back. I just have to tie it right now. Oh, my screwdriver. You're gonna have to tie this. I'm gonna post this video since this is a really common issue with these engines. Hopefully I can find out what's the interchange for this. Actually, it said it. It said it on the computer, which cars are affected. I'm going to put it in the description of the video. But what we're going to do is, we're going to clear the codes. Put some live data, and recycle the key, see what codes comes back. So key off, erase codes, let me recycle the key. Actually, if I start it, check engine light is off, and go back, read codes, that's beautiful. Now no fault codes detected. Now let me go to, I mean, I don't have to do this, but engine data misfire, hand heated, spot of control. Reduce engine power, inactive. The angle desired, and right here, throttle position, desired angle and indicated are the same. See here? One and two agree. These are the voltages that we were gonna check. It's between 0.37 and 429 or something like that. This is the, when it's closed, it's the lowest. When you open it, it increases. But this is what it is. These are the voltages. This is the throttle position sensor. The percentage, 32% open now. All right. Oh, well, I expected this to be a long, to be honest with you guys, but this was a short video, but it's I think it's going to be really helpful because this guy, I believe, he was on YouTube for like 2 hours looking at videos or something. I don't know if there is any mention to an easy fix like that to a widely common problem, but I'm glad that we fixed it together, and I'm gonna post this video to help somebody. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, if any. Hit the notification button for more videos. And this dealer also has this Dodge Avenger that we'll diagnose in a minute right now.